A Kashmiri youth was tortured to death in the police custody in Srinagar. The youth, identified as Riaz Ahmed from the Eidgah, Srinagar, was killed by the Indian police at a police station in Srinagar on Wednesday. The people took to the streets in Srinagar and staged a protest against the killing of the youth in the police custody. Violent coordinated search operation launched by the Indian forces in the Kulgam district entered its sixth consecutive day today. The Indian police officials admitted that the drones, Rudra helicopters and the elite special forces were being used in the operation targeting the Kashmiri resistance in the Akhran Devsar area of the district. Political parties and the leaders staged protests across occupied Kashmir demanding the restoration of the Articles 370 and 35A to end the ongoing miseries and the exploitation of the oppressed people of the occupied territory. The parties, including National Conference, People's Democratic Party, Congress and others, joined the demonstrations. Continuing its agenda in occupied Kashmir, New Delhi appointed administration under Lieutenant Governor Manoj Sinha has seized the immovable property of a local resident in the Kathua district. The police, acting on the orders of Manoj Sinha, confiscated 16.5 marlas of the land belonging to Muhammad Ashraf, a resident of the Lowang village of the Bani Tehsil. In yet another move reflecting the Indian government's growing militaristic approach in occupied Kashmir, over 25 companies of the Central Reserve Police Force along with the 2 units of the Cobra Commandos are being deployed in the Kathua, Udhampur and Samba districts of the Jammu region to intensify its military operations against the Kashmiris. Commando Battalion for the Resolute Action trained in the jungle warfare and guerrilla tactics is being introduced in the Jammu region in unprecedented numbers. A shocking incident at the Srinagar airport has once again cast a hard spotlight on the mistreatment of the Kashmiris, this time in one of the most heavily guarded and the militarized places in occupied Kashmir. On 26 July, Mudassir Ashraf Khan, a young SpiceJet ground staff member from the Srinagar's Bhimna area, was brutally assaulted by a serving Indian Army officer after a dispute over baggage. The officer, identified as Lieutenant Colonel Ritesh Kumar Singh, refused to pay of 9 kgs of extra cabin baggage and in a fit of rage unleashed violence at the boarding gate, severely injuring several airline employees. A special NIA court in the Jammu has framed charges under draconian law, the Unlawful Activities Prevention Act, against 3 people and a Rajouri-based trust for allegedly raising funds to advance the welfare activities of the Jamaat-e-Islami occupied Kashmir. NIA special judge passed the order against Amir Mohammad Shamsi, Abdul Hamid Ganai and Mushtaq Ahmed Mir and Al Huda Educational Trust.